Welcome to the Rimbrake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello, Clashers! In this video, I will explain how to maximize gold in Clash of Clans. Getting a vast amount of gold is crucial for upgrading your village and troops. We'll cover effective strategies to keep your storages overflowing. First, consistently raid active bases with full collectors. This provides easy gold. Make sure to upgrade your gold mines and storage to their maximum levels. Participate in clan games and season challenges for significant rewards, often yielding hundreds of thousands of gold. These steps are fundamental for a strong economy. When raiding, efficiency is key to accumulating gold quickly. Consider using inexpensive armies, such as a swarm of goblins or barbarians, to minimize training costs and time. Focus your attacks on bases where gold mines and elixir collectors are easily accessible, often located outside walls. Furthermore, actively seek out inactive villages. These often have full storages and collectors, offering hundreds of thousands of gold with little resistance. This approach ensures you gain maximum gold for minimal effort. Protecting your existing gold is just as important as earning more. Ensure your gold mines are well protected within your base layout to deter attackers from stealing your passive income. Make it a habit to collect resources from your mines every few hours. This prevents them from filling up and becoming easy targets. Additionally, consistently complete your daily star bonuses and participate in clan wars to earn valuable war bonuses, which can provide tens of thousands of extra gold each day. For long-term gold generation, consider these sustainable strategies. Joining an active clan allows you to participate in clan wars, earning substantial war loot, and receive valuable troop donations for stronger attacks. Don't overlook the builder base. It offers a separate stream of resources that can be transferred to your home village. Finally, strategically invest your dark elixir into upgrading powerful troops. Stronger troops lead to more successful raids, securing even greater amounts of gold in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.